Welcome to Jove, a paired dispatch and request app that connects agents to buyers based on availability. When a buyer opens the app, they will see properties populate around them based on GPS location and can dive in and access pictures and details pulled directly from the MLS. When buyers are ready, they can schedule a showing based on their availability or request an instant showing to get through the door as quickly as possible. But we'll get more to that later. Our filtering tool allows buyers to narrow their search based on categories that are most important to them. Once a buyer narrows their search, the next step is to find a property that they actually want to tour. We seek to find buyers who are ready, willing, and able to make a purchase and get them connected with agents who are ready, willing, and able to show the property as quickly as possible. By focusing first on schedule, we ensure effective lead routing by matching agents and buyers based on times that they're both available to tour the property. Once a buyer selects a time, a ping will go out via push notification to all nearby agents on platform. Agents will then get a list of available showings, and based on first their availability, they will either accept or decline the showing. All the details of the property that the buyer sees are carried over to the agent as well. Once an agent confirms that they are available, they should then next go into the Showing Time app or other listing service to confirm whether or not the property is available. If the property is not available, we allow you to suggest a new time or to mark that property as unavailable for a variety of reasons, such as under contract. Once the agent has confirmed that both they and the property are available, the buyer will get a notification showing all agents who accept it. The buyer can then go through the agent's profile and select the agent that best fits their needs based on a number of categories defined in-app. Once the buyer accepts an agent, contact information for the buyer is released to the agent. We encourage you to call the buyer and vet through to make sure you feel comfortable showing the property just like you would with any other inbound lead. Agents should keep in mind that buyers will be expecting them to show up at the time agreed upon in the app and should be sensitive to the fact that this is not the time to reschedule an appointment based on agent's availability except for in unforeseen circumstances. Jove conveniently catalogs all upcoming and past showings for easy access for both buyers and agents. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and good luck from Team Jove.